Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the Tamron 28 to 300mm VC lens. Recently I had this lens which had some dust under the front lens element. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside the lens. Usually the dust sits between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens and then clean the lens. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I would start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For this assembly, I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a metal tweezers, a plastic tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens elements, I will use an air pump, a brush, lens cleaning fluid, and microfiber cloth. For checking the surface of the lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you are interested in buying them, then the links are down in the description below. If you find that video useful, informative, and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So, let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. There are a few dust particles inside the lens. Use a plastic tweezers to remove the front cover ring. It is held in its place by 3 pins. Remove the screws. Mark the position of the front lens element. When it is assembled, it should be at the same position as it was there originally. Remove the screws. Lift up the front lens using a suction cup. Hold the lens downwards and clean it with a brush and an air pump. Store the lens downwards so the dust will not fall inside. Let's continue with the cleaning of the front lens element. Clean the side of the lens with a brush. Put the lens on a microfiber cloth so it will not be scratched. Clean the inner side of the lens with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Put back the front lens element using a suction cup and align the marks. Put back the screws. Make sure that the marks are aligned so the front lens element is at the same place as it was there originally. Clean the front lens with a cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Clean the front lens covering with a brush. Put back the cover ring. Put back the screws. Put back the cover ring. It has 3 pins which goes in the 3 holes in the lens. We are done with cleaning the lens. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find it useful, informative and adds value to you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and consider donating. Links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. See you next time in another video.